Good morning, sir. I am James Ian C. Arucha, Bachelor of Science Criminology 2, Block A. From now on, I am going to memorize the rights of accused at the trial and also the definition of criminology. Criminology. A branch of sociology refers to the scientific study of crime, social phenomenon of criminals, and penal treatment. According to Edwin Sunderland and Donald Crissey, criminology is a body of knowledge regarding crime as a social phenomenon. It includes within its scopes the processes of making laws, of breaking of laws, and of reaction towards the breaking of laws. It systematically studies the various aspects of a crime, including the causes and prevention through the perspective of various disciplines such as anthropology, psychology, biology, psychiatry, economics, and statistics. The research to obtain knowledge about crime and related perspective is based on understanding, explanation, prediction, prevention, and criminal justice policy. Rights of accused at the trial. In all criminal prosecution, the accused shall be entitled to the following rights. A. To be presumed innocent until the contrary is proved beyond reasonable doubt. B. To be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation against him. Letter C. To be present and defend in person and by counsel at every stage of the proceeding from arrangement to promulgation of the judgment. The accused may however waive his presence at the trial pursuant to the stipulation set forth in his tale unless his presence is specifically ordered by the court for purposes of identification. The absence of the accused without justifiable cause at the trial of which he had notice shall be considered a waiver of his rights to be present thereat. When an accused under custody escapes, he shall be deemed to have waived his rights to be present on all subsequent trial dates until custody over him is regained. Upon motion, the accused may be allowed to defend himself in person when it sufficiently appears to the court that he can properly protect protect his rights without the assistance of counsel. Letter D. To testify a witness in his own behalf but subject to cross examination on matters covered by direct examination, his silence shall not in any manner prejudice him. To be exempt from being compelled to be witness against himself. Letter F. To confront and cross-examine the witnesses against him at the trial, either party may utilize as part of its evidence the testimony of a witness who is deceased, out of or cannot with due diligence be found in the Philippines, unavailable or otherwise unable to testify, given in another case or proceeding, judicial or administrative, involving the same parties and subject matter, the adverse party having the opportunity to cross-examine him. To have compulsory process issued to secure the attendance of witness and production of other evidence in his behalf. Letter H. To have speedy, impartial public trial. Letter I. To appeal in all cases allowed and in the manner prescribed by law.